Hello everyone, welcome to Duanduan Mandarin. Today we'll bring a new conception to the Mandarin lessons. We call that 声调 in Chinese, which means tones. So in Chinese, we have 4 different tones. The tones is very essential because different tones with different pronunciation can stand for different meaning. Let's start with the first tone. The first tone is high and flat. When you pronounce that, you can imagine you are a robot. We always use a horizontal line stand for the first tone. You can find that marks above the pinyin. We can make use of the ah sound as an example. You can try to read after me. Ah, ah. Just keep the same pitch. Imagine you're a robot without any motion. Ah, ah. Let me hear your voice. Very good. Let's move on to the second tone. The second tone is a rising sound. It sounds like when you say English like yes, right, do I. Let's keep this intonation and use ah sound as an example. Can you read after me? Ah, ah. Again. Ah, ah. Can I hear your voice, please? Well done. The third tone falls and rises. Ah, ah. Very good. One more time. Ah, ah. Sometimes you can make use of your head to help you. You can do like me. Ah, very good. Let me hear your voice, please. Ah, very good. So the last tone, we call that fourth tone. So the fourth tone is just a falling tone. It sounds like you are angry or say some sentence intonation in this way. Sure. Of course. Ah. Ah. Can you have a try, please? Let me hear your voice. Ah. Ah. Very good. That's all. Okay, so we can do some further practice about the 4 different tones. Let's use the ah sound. Put them together. Ah, first tone. Ah, second tone. Ah, third tone. Ah, fourth tone. Can you put them together? Very good. Let's do it together one more time. Ah, 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 ah. How about the 4 different tones pronounced with the E sound? E, 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 E. Please have a try, follow me. E, 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 E. Well done. And do you still remember how to pronounce this pinyin? Good, it's a U. Let's pronounce U with 4 different tones. First tone, U. Second, U. Third, U. Fourth, U. Can you put them together? Let's have a try. U, 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 U. Very good. I hope you enjoy the lessons, and I will see you next time. 再见。